Take a ride in the 2021
Buick Envision. Envision is a luxury crossover designed to turn heads and welcome you in with its quality craftsmanship, spirited performance, and conversation-friendly cabin that will make your driving experience worthwhile. The Envision's handsome exterior and well-styled cabin are appealing, while its value-packed features list serves as a cherry on top.
This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, power lift gate, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, remote engine start, stability control, traction control, keyless entry. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.